Most people won't admit this, but 2025 probably didn't go how you thought it would. You had plans. You had moments where you said, "This is my year." And then life distracted you. Comfort slowed you down. Consistency disappeared. That doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If you walk into 2026 carrying the same habits, the same excuses, and the same identity, nothing will change. A comeback doesn't start with motivation. It starts with a decision to stop living on autopilot. So, if 2026 is going to be the year you turn things around, this is how you do it. First, you rebuild your structure before you rebuild your confidence. Confidence doesn't come first. It follows action. Wake up at a consistent time, not extreme, just disciplined. Plan your day the night before. 3 priorities, not 10. When your days have structure, your mind stops looking for escape. Second, you get your body back under your control. Not for aesthetics, for authority. Train your body regularly. Lift weights, do calisthenics, run, walk. It doesn't matter what you choose as long as it's challenging. A strong body fixes things a weak mind can't. Third, you remove constant stimulation. Not forever, just intentionally. Too much noise is the reason you feel overwhelmed but unproductive. Spend time daily without your phone. No scrolling, no content, just you and your thoughts. Clarity doesn't come from consuming more. It comes from creating space. Fourth, you choose one skill and commit to it. Not 5, 1. A skill that compounds, something valuable, something that can eventually make you money or leverage. Spend 30 minutes a day practicing even when you don't feel like it. Fifth, you stop waiting to feel ready. Read this carefully. You don't become disciplined and then take action. You take action and discipline shows up later. Start before confidence. Start before clarity. Start before motivation. Momentum is built by movement, not thinking. Sixth, you track your progress honestly, not to judge yourself, to see reality. Write down what you did each day. Did you train? Did you work on your skill? Did you waste time? Most people stay stuck because they never look at their patterns. Awareness alone fixes more than motivation ever will. Seventh, you change how you talk to yourself. Your internal voice becomes your future personality. If you constantly tell yourself you're behind, lazy, or unlucky, you act like it. Start speaking to yourself like someone you're responsible for becoming. Here's what people don't tell you about comebacks. They're quiet. There's no dramatic moment, no announcement, no instant transformation. Just boring days done correctly over and over again. People will think you disappeared. In reality, you stopped performing and started building. And one day in 2026, something strange happens. Your energy is different. Your confidence is real. Your habits don't require effort anymore. And the same people who watched you struggle will wonder when you changed. You didn't get lucky. You didn't find motivation. You built a system and followed it when it wasn't exciting. That's the greatest comeback. Not proving people wrong, proving to yourself that you can change when you decide to. Don't wait for a perfect start. Start messy, start small, start today. Because 2026 doesn't need a new version of your excuses. It needs a disciplined version of you.